Guys, and welcome to a new tutorial with the Nubian Genius Hub. Today I'm going to show you how to download ShutUp10 Plus, and beside downloading it, I'm going to show you a recommended settings that you could use on ShutUp10. So the first thing that we are going to do is let's head on and open the web browser. The first thing that we're going to do is to search for ShutUp10. So here is the ShutUp10. This is the official website that you're gonna download ShutUp10 app from. So for you who are asking me what is ShutUp10, well, it's written here. Means that you have full control. ShutUp10 Plus means that you have full control over which comfort functions and the Windows 10 and Windows 11 you wish to use, and you decide when the passing on of your data goes too far. Using a very simple interface, you decide how Windows 10 and Windows 11 should respect your privacy by deciding which unwanted functions should be deactivated. Well, we can see that it is free, entirely free, and does not have to be installed. So you can simply run the exe, Let's download it. Let's press the download button here. Now what we are gonna do, let's put it in the avatar. Save. So we simply have to run the exe. We don't have to install it. It's gonna run by its own. You press on it, it's gonna be run directly, Now let's wait. Now you may not see this because of the recorder, but it gave me an administration request, so I will press yes. You cannot see this because of the recording. Now it's gonna open. Now what you can clearly see that we have successfully downloaded and run ShutUp10 Plus. Well, for the recommended settings you should first go to actions and press apply on the recommended settings. The set is strongly recommended. Yes. Now the system is creating a restore point. Now let's wait for that. It might take time, or it might take about 30 to 40 seconds, or might be sometimes even less. It depends on your computer. System restore point is being created, so it's gonna take time, and let's wait for it. So obviously it's taking its time. Be patient, my boy. I know that life is, the most important lesson of life that you have to learn, that you have to be patient. Life is not easy. So let's wait for the system restore point to be created. I'm the champion of the world. I'm the best of the best, the best of the best, the champion of the world. Let's wait. Why is this not working? System restore point being created. Now we are done. Finally. Thanks for watching, and see you later.